Hello guys, this is Gosh Sawa Ogiagbe. So today we are going to talk about ChatGPT. So this AI software will allow you to write a blog. Let me say, for example, you can just tell ChatGPT, write me a word about how to lose weight in 1,000 words. You can say, write me 1,000 words how to lose weight. ChatGPT will do the work for you. You can say, write me a word how to lose weight 10,000 words. ChatGPT will do all the whole work for you and is 100% free. You can use this tool if you have a website and you are upcoming blogger and you are just starting up. You can use this tool to start writing a blog and you are not paying any money at the end of the day like you are using like Jasper or other AI software that you can use to write articles. But with this ChatGPT software, you can do everything for 100% free. So this tool is free for now. You can take advantage of it before they setting a pricing plan. So that is it. So just keep on watching. Let me show you around ChatGPT. So just keep on watching, guys. So first thing, you can come to Google or you can just click the first link below this video. So once you come to Google, you search for ChatGPT. So it will open this page. So once it opens this page, what you have to do, click on this first link here, this first page here, which is this one. Once you click on this first one, it will take you to the home page here. So once it brings you to the home page of ChatGPT here, what you have to do is to click on this section where it say get started. You can click on get started here, or you can click this section where it says sign up. So I will click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it will bring you here asking you to create your account. So here you are going to enter your Gmail account. You can sign up either with your Google account or with your Microsoft account. So I'm going to enter my Gmail here, enter that I'm not a robot. So I'm going to do that in just a second. So I've entered my Gmail here. I'll accept that I'm not a robot, asking me to select the section where there is boss. I will select that and I'll click on verify. So I will click on continue here. So now it's asking me for password. I'll enter my password here. So I've entered my password. I'll click on continue. So once I click on continue to bring you say verify your email. You say we send email to Chris Nelson 922@gmail.com. Click the link to verify your link. So I will go and open my email to verify the link. So I will click on open. So as you can see, this is the Gmail I received from ChatGPT. As you can see, say OpenAI. Here you can see say verify your email address. So I will click on it now. So you have come here. You're asking me to. It's asking for my name. I will just enter a name here. I will just put like Ghost Power. Just put a random name there or my name. On this section where you see organization, you cannot put anything. You can put something if you want. It's not optional, so just leave it just like it is. Or you can put like, I can put like a GU. So when I put GU is that, and I'll click on continue. This session is going to ask me to verify my phone number. So I'm going to enter my phone number here and verify it. So I click on continue, bring me here asking me for the code that they sent to my phone number. I will enter that. So I've entered my code. Here it's asking me, say, how will you primarily use OpenAI? So you can choose here. You can say I am building a product or future. So you can do that. I will just do that, building a product or future. So congratulations, you have your account now. So, but how can you start writing? Because if you see here, there's a lot of things that you can see here. Let me say if you want to learn examples of the things that they have or things that you can do, you can click on example here to see the type of things that you can generate with this AI tool, which is OpenAI. So, which is ChatGPT. But how to use the section where you'll be able to start generating article, writing a blog is very simple. How to get to that section is what I'm going to show you now. So to start using it to write a blog or write articles about anything you want to write about or to generate a code about from any PHP website. So what you can do, come to the menu here, the link of the page that you have opened on ChatGPT. Come here and remove the .com and put chat. Once you put chat, then go to the section where it says beta, click on it and remove the beta and put chat there. So once you do that, leave everything just like it is and click on enter from your computer. Once you click on enter from your computer, it will bring you to this page here. So what you have to do, you need to click on this section where it says login. I will log in my own account now. So as you can see, boom, voila, my account have just opened. So when you come here, you will see the your dashboard here, how it looks. It's a one page two website. It's one page two website. So how to start using it is very simple. You just need to come to this section where it's like you have this point of writing. You can just come here. You can say, okay, write me 3,000 words about how to lose weight. So we are going to see what this AI tool is going to do for us. I will click on this section. You can see this flash here. Click on it. And as you can see, ChatGPT will start writing for us. It says losing weight can be a challenge. It can be challenging and often frustrating process, but with the right mindset, a healthy and balanced diet, and regular physical activities, is possible to achieve your weight loss goal. It says here are some tips and strategy to help you successfully lose weight. So that is it, and it keeps on writing. You can see the AI tool is doing the writing. So it's going to write 3,000 words and it will stop. So that is how the AI tool is working. It's very, very simple as that. You can just ask anything you want to write about. This AI tool will generate the content for you. And I know a lot of you will just copy this content, go and paste it on your website, and that is it. No, don't just do that. What you can do is to organize this content. Take this content, go and read it through, organize it, align everything, make it look different from what this AI tool have done for you, so that it will look different from your readers. So that is what I want you to do. And as you can see now, the AI have completed the content, and you can see he even added a summary of these content articles or blog that he have written for us, or this article. So you can see a summary that is very simple. So you can see what the AI tool have written for you. So what you just have to do is to copy it, like I said, tweak the content, make it look different from what the AI tool have done for you, and you can do anything. Let me say, for example, you want to generate a website like this website, which is called SEMrush. So let us just ask a question about that. So you can see what I ask. I say, write me PHP script about SEMrush. Let me put code here. PHP script code. Yes. About semrush.com. So I will click on this arrow again. So it's going to do the writing for us. We are just going to be patient, and you are going to see what is going to give us. So as you can see, it's writing all the scripts that we are going to copy. So what we have to do is to copy this script and give it to our developer, so that our developer will have the idea of the kind of website we want. Let me say, if you want to create a website. So you can see the AI tool doing the work for us, and all we just need to do is to copy the PHP script here and go and give it to our developer, and our developer will get the idea of what we have to the kind of website we want to create. And as you can see, the ChatGPT is telling us exactly what to do and how to get everything that we need to do to get similar website like SEMrush. So you can see that this tool can do anything. You can write article with it. You can use it to create PHP. Let me say you have any idea of a website. You can just come here, ask the question. It will give you a script of the idea of the kind of website you want to build. You can just copy the code, give it to your developer. Your developer can walk through exactly the type of website that you are looking for. So that is everything I need to talk about on this video, on this tutorial about this method about ChatGPT, on how to use it. You can see that we have used it to create a blog. We have used it to create a PHP script website, and that is it, guys. So I'm going to end this video from here. Leave me a comment if you want me to make any video about this software again. And again, don't forget, I will come up with how you can write a blog with this tool. So I will just make a full video about how you can use it to write a professional blog. So leave me a comment if you want me to make that video on time, and if you want me to make it at all, leave me that comment in the comment section below. I will see you on my next video. Watch this video about how you can make money with affiliate program that will pop up right now. Watch this video, it's very important.